What?
Per test is 5,000. That's 10,000.
So why do I have two
So
tests?
we will just eat bulad later on your birthday. Napa kayo makuha? Rusty, if you're watching this, kung naman yung birthday, we tried our best. Lord, I tried to pray using straight English so that the birthday celebrant would understand it. The answer is
BTS.
BTS! Oh, be honest.
Oh my God!
Good morning, guys. Today is the birthday of that kid. Birthday ni Rusty karon, but as early as 8 a.m. namin karon diri sa CUMC Hospital. Kaya mo siyang ipatuli. Yeah, what kind of test galing? Second na test?
Serum test.
Allergen.
Yeah, kung asa i-test yung blood, kung unsa bagyod, unsa magyod ang cause sa iyang allergy. I have a feeling it's a Wi-Fi allergy. So di na ka pwede mag-Wi-Fi. So only kanira nga hospital ang naaning nga test. So ma'am, adapit ang laboratory, ma'am.
Hala ka. Agay, idol.
Ay, ma'am.
Laboratory sir,
Oh.
diya sir.
Dire.
Kanang dito kanang glass na glass door diri nga side.
Okay. Salamat, ma'am.
Gwapo magiday ka.
Ay. Sauna gyud, ma'am.
Gwapo ka diri sir.
Sakay na lang sa tani mga pasakay. Ay, ma'am. Diri mangutana about aning pila na, ma'am?
5,100 ang isa.
Asa mangutana kung karga ba siya sa insurance akong di mo ko sure.
HMO.
HMO, pwede mo ito sa kadjat ha. Mangutana sa ko kung if karga. Okay, salamat.
Wow.
Boss, unsay oras pa? Kuan, boss. Tawad, boss. Sa kanan, taod ba? Sa oras mabli, taod, sa kanan. Mga 1 hour, hindi man makasulti ka alas 9 ba or... So yun, so after 10 minutes niabot na dili karga kung sa insurance ang anak ang laboratory test. So dili karga sa MaxiCare. So minto say magbayad ko og 5,000 sa laboratory. So nabikil ko, palito na ako ang MaxiCare. Mag-withdraw sa mi kwarta kay palito ng MaxiCare. Pila man ang MaxiCare.
Mayuto. 1,000 din.
What?
Per test is 5,000. That's 10,000.
So why do I have two
So
tests?
we will just eat bulad later on your birthday. Ha? So it's 10,000 man. So wala na ihanda later sa mong birthday. So bulad.
Why two tests?
Kailangan mo kunin siya nga test para may bawaan kinamo kung unsa gyud ang iyang specific niya nga allergy. So may kabalo kung unsa puro may tumutumo nga basig abog, basig itlog, basig puro basig. So we need to do this. Murag bukat kayo para kay misis ang kitabo nagal. Natulis siya karon og 10,000. That's our birthday gift, Rusty. Happy birthday. So, amahaw na lang eh. So muna ni, happy birthday. Muna ni mong handa, ha? Si Mami wala na. Natulis na may 10,000. Amahaw pa. Nabali na rin ako. Bye. Stay in the house. So, amo sa Sangyuli, mubalik pa mi sa uptown kay nakoy meeting for a wedding. for a reunion. So mag down payment sila, may nalang mabayaran na ako nagasto ganina. Plus napagay magrenta sa auto ni Hilas King. So dito po sa taas dayon napadayon ko vlog para sa pinakabagong videoke karaoke bar basta diya sa may Corales sa The Cave. Okay, so na ko shoot later, so may na lang po na napidugan. So igo lang yun akong gasto sa laboratory at least mabawi ra gamay rasan. So ko ni mami ang auto kay sa taas man magkita. Okay, yes, nami rent a car kanang auto. Ang auto may nasa ko so self drive, so within Cagayan de Oro 1.5 sa gawas mo magawas 1.8. Alright, naman ako sa akong meeting. You don't down payment na, so may na lang. So Rusty, medyo na naka down payment, so medyo madungagan na itong 1 kilo pa nga bulan. Pero itong tinapa para kuhan. Sir, done with my vlog and conceptualized vlog sa The Cave. So, tungod kay nagastuan mi, so amo ipa-encash ang mga check And salamat po karon nga day. Binas na gyud mo lang yun ako nga. Pasalamat gyud ko ni Lord ba. So karon po nga day gibayaran ko sa YouTube sa akong kita. Di ko magsaba nga 500,000. Wow. Sa mao. Salamat sa mga ga-subscribe sa akong YouTube. Kana inyong mga comment, mga suggestion kuan gina ko na gina-internalize. Alright, naka-exchange namin, naka-exchange na amo na na-encash ang cheque. Daghang salamat kang Ma'am Snooki ug iyang kauban diya nga gasunod sa among vlog. So medyo nadungagan na. Dayon, pag-check sa pitaka ni Mrs. Nako kanday Singapore dollars. So, pila ni tanong bi?
$232.
$232. So, ito'y convert to peso. So, at least napakita ko yung mga 8,000. Ay, susilang may na. Ay, sa muna akong giingon. Love ko ni Lord. Love you. Butang yun. Sa pag makasalanan ko may galab, ginalab ko ni Lord. Muna akong si pangutan na sa franchise sa ABS. Basta mo usara kina, love ko ni Lord. Maribala, Lord. Yes. Ay, salamat. Naka-convert pa may gamit. Galing kayo, napadami dollars. So, naka-convert pa naman. So, swerte na gyapon. So, dili na bulan. Tinapa nga itong sudan garon. Napakaya makuot.
Ano ba?
Rusty, mura ni mong handa ron yung birthday. So my hi. Hello. Grabe ng cake ni Rusty. Bagay, napagin mo diri sa bugo. Diyan ni, ang pagin naman. There you go. Rusty dyan. Muna akong Auntie Helen.
Sure.
Hi.
11.
We have our last mission. Our last mission, nakuha na namin ang sudan sa Tita Mimis. Ang last mission na mo is ang karakter na lang yun sa cake para makompleto lang yun. Sana kung dako. Last chance.
Dua ka kapi? Dua lang.
Dua lang. Finally, tadin! Hi, ma'am.
Hi!
Nasa sila diri sa kwan, third floor sa
Fans ni
isa.
Sir Bernie Bitok-Bitok.
Salamat mama.
Forever ka pamilya, Char!
Nag-share man siguro ka tong yes to shutdown. Yes to shutdown ka o no to... Oh, okay, Charles, thank you. Salamat po. Thank you. Rusty, if you're watching this, kung naman imong birthday, we tried our best na mabuhat ang character, makita ang kuan, nagdugay gani. We tried our best to look for that character, but eto namin sa Toy Kingdom, hanas na wala gyud. So nagpicture na, nagprint na lang gini. Hope you appreciate it. Okay? Raver and Ella, don't get jealous. I love the three of you. Okay? Bye. Okay, mission accomplished. Alright. There, chocolate. Oh, ice cream. Ice na lang wala. Muna lang pinangakulang. We're home. So, preparation. Palihog sa ako. Kuha sa... Ay, nalang lechon lagi. Oh! Ay, gate ko na nagyatod si mama day. Nanang litson. Grabe ka dako. Bulag ko sa kalamisa. Mumaning December pagipalit. Okay, so magprepara sa ta sa birthday sa Juan. Grabe ang mga sakripisyo eh. Diya siguro pa ano, no?
Cortina na lang.
Doorknobs.
If there's beer, you can't. You can't
What do you mean you can't?
drink
Why?
because you're gonna be drunk.
So what's wrong if we're gonna be drunk? You want to blow? Let's prepare. And si Tita Jingjing ang nag-cook sa spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Tapos sa mong rice kay Red, nag-request siya white rice na walay white na red gyapon.
Yes, it's right. Yes, it's.
Ito gapon ibutang link. Ibutang sa kwan? Ibutang sa
Freezer.
freezer?
Ano niya kung bugnaw?
Oh my God, tol.
Yes, your tarp. We tried to find the characters, the toy caster, but we can't find it. But
At least, it's
at
black.
least, yeah. Okay,
You're not
let's
black,
pray.
you're roasted.
Everybody, let's pray. Let's put ourselves in the holy presence of God, Father, Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Lord, I try to pray with using straight English so that the birthday celebrant would understand it. Lord, thank you for this wonderful day. Thank you, Lord, for this year. As Rusty John turns 13 years old, thank you, Lord, for giving us this amazing kid. Handsome and intelligent kid. Sometimes weird. Thank you, Lord, na niniwang na siya gamay. Oh, sorry. Thank you, Lord. He's now slim. And Lord, please guide him for the next years in his life. And hopefully, he will be healthy, smart, and handsome like his dad. And Lord, thank you very much. And please, Lord, guide us. And thank you, Lord, for these wonderful people around him na nag-care sa iya very much. Thank you very much, Lord. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Everybody, bless us, O Lord. This day is about to receive from thy bounty through Christ our Lord. Amen. Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Amen. Ay, binusblit. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Give me the phone.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. It's gold, Rusty, so it's expensive. And I counted, it's actually 13. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I know, it's 13.
So make a wish first. Close your eyes. Don't blow. Yay! Sumura to.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. Thank you, brother. Salamat. Akong mga high school barkada, brother. Bagong minyo gyapon. Nagmahay na, wala pa. Ha? Naman? Hapit na. Hapit na. Hapit na. Ang kauban. Yang magulang anak. Nagmahay na, wala pa. Nagmahay ba yun? Okay. Okay ba? Okay kayo ni anak? Lungagan. Ngunit siya si Milo. Kung asa iyang anak, bright kayo. Okay, kulba niya nga iya kay birthday man niya ni. So naay kuan. So kaway sa mga players, kaway. Okay, kaway. Huy, na may ilim nun, bulabog. Okay, question. First question.
Okay. Which one of these three choices was the date of my tuli?
The day of your tuli. Just raise it. Okay.
Who chose the first choice?
April 14, April 15. Sige mo, bro. Uy, isulat niyo yung answer daw. Isulat. April 15. April. Uso mga 15 tayo mo 19. Uso mong yun. 8 points ha. What the team ha? The answer is
April 19.
April 19! Di mo pariha. Next question for 5 points.
Okay, these are two choices only.
2 choices.
When was the second time I rode a zip line? A. Dahilayan. B. Ultra winds.
Dahilayan, ultra winds, dahilayan. The answer is
Ultra winds.
ultra winds. Oh, you put 5 points. Oh, you listening. Unsa tayo nag-answer correct?
Which one of these three K-pop groups that I love the most? Red Velvet, Momoland, or BTS?
Momoland. BTS. BTS. The answer is
BTS.
BTS. Oh, be honest.
Which one of these three colors are my favorite?
Wala, kani colors na.
Black, yellow, or white?
Black, yellow, or white. Okay, taas. Okay. The answer is
Yellow.
yellow. No. Zero ka na, zero.
Cardi B, Ariana Grande, or Taylor Swift?
Kung sito ba? Ariana. The answer is
Taylor Swift.
5 points pa, right? 5 points.
This question is a ship name, and I can give you choices, but you have to combine those names to make it.
No.
Okay, this is my favorite ship in Miraculous, so I'm gonna give you 4 names. Miraculous. I'm gonna give you the 4 names, and you have to ship
Murag
them.
character sa
Miraculous.
mo lang.
Kato na diya siyang kan butter.
Ano na siyang tarpaulin? No. Lad nowhere? Lady. Ha? Lady nowhere. Mary Cat. Burag Burikat?
Si Ladybug o si Adrian.
Ladybug o Ladrian.
I'm gonna tell you.
Ladybug and Katnor.
Ladybug o green.
Katria. Si Katria.
Fiona Gray.
Lady Nor.
Yeah,
Lady
I'm gonna
Nor.
tell first which one got the ship
Lady.
name correct. And then I'd say for the favorite. It's okay kung wrong spelling. It's Mary Chat.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Mary Cat?
Oh my God!
Mary Cat?
ladies and gentlemen, the winner of 500 pesos goes to Yay!
Voucher to, voucher.
Picture mo na, picture. Picture. Pwede na ka ng picture.
Dito na.
One, two.